Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Capcut PC. First, create a project and import your footage so the work is immediate. Once your clip is on the timeline, scrub to the frame where the object is most visible, and trim surrounding footage to reduce processing. Make sure lighting and contrast are clear, because tracking relies on distinct features. Then add any overlay layer you want tracked, text, sticker, or image, and position it roughly where it should attach. With your overlay placed, select the clip and open the track or motion tracking tool. Choose the appropriate mode, point for a small feature, object for larger items, or face for portraits. Next, define a tight search region around the target so Capcut focuses on the right pixels. Start the track and watch its progress. If the tracker loses the target, pause, scrub to the problematic frame, add a manual keyframe, then resume tracking. This hybrid approach improves final stability. Once done tracking, refine the overlay's position, scale, and rotation using keyframes so the element sits naturally on the object. Make sure to add easing for smoother motion transitions, and export a short test clip to confirm timing and quality. If you see drift, don't panic. Go back, tighten the search region, improve contrast with a temporary adjustment layer, or add manual corrections at problem frames. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.